Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys and your front power window on the front right side doesn't work, front passenger side. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. It controls the windows on the passenger side guys, on the right side of the vehicle. And you have one fuse for that, but also guys, check the main fuse as well for the master window switch. We'll explain about this one because this one can be the one causing the other side not to work as well. But if the one on the for the driver side is bad, all the windows will not work guys. So that's what we'll be showing you today. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the foot where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So if you look at it guys, this is right here, this is a picture of the fuse box that we took. So with a great detail we can show where each fuse is located, otherwise it's impossible to get the camera, my hand and the light guys that I'm holding at the same time because it's very little opening. So the fuse guys that you need to check, you need to come to the first row and count down, okay. Let me show you now exactly okay which fuse you need to count. It's the very first row and you need to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That last fuse guys, it's 25 amp fuse. Check this one fuse guys. Also test it, always test them, make sure that they're good or bad, because if you just look at it and you think it's a good fuse, it may be a bad fuse. And we have a special video that teaches you how you can test a fuse in just a few seconds, so check it out. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. The fuse for the master window switch, okay, is the one right above it. Okay, this fuse is for the master window switch, this is for the okay, for the passenger side window. So check these two fuses guys. Okay, if each one of them is bad, okay, the windows will not work on the passenger side. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.